We got a package in the mail today. Well, actually it came yesterday, but we didn't get a chance to get down here and do this. It's from Gorsuch Performance. Marshall and Travis and the guys sent us a package. Let's see what it is here. Oh, more tape. Alright. Who's needing some of these right here?
These stickers.
Yeah.
They're Christopher to stick everywhere.
Well, we got Stop Tech on the side of the car, but we didn't put the Gorsuch on the side of the car. We didn't think about that, I guess.
I don't guess so.
Anyways.
We'll get putting those on there right now.
Yeah, we'll put it on there, right up under the tube.
And they're good colors.
Right under the tube.
Alright.
But we got one of the Gorsuch Performance 3-blade fans. As you saw last week, we ordered the 6-blade fan. That's what we've been running. I was speaking to Marshall, and this is actually advertised as the crate fan, but he said some people have been running on open motors. Obviously, less fan blades, it's going to create less horsepower drag. So it's something that we're going to try and kind of test with and see how to optimize our performance. The Gorsuch fans, he was informing me that they were designed because some of the top late model teams were breaking or damaging the steel fans. The fan blades were actually flattening out, and it was causing major problems. Like a fan blade would break off. If you didn't run a water pressure gauge, then you was unaware that you would have some kind of cooling issue, and you'd basically melt an engine down. So what they've came out with right here are these fans weigh less than 2 pounds, and they said these fans move just as much air or maybe even more air than the steel fans. One thing we'd spoke about in one of our previous videos was when we noticed our fan was cracked or had a chunk missing out of it. It was, just ran across my mind that maybe that was a vibration that we was feeling last year. However, Travis and Marshall, they both felt like that this fan is so light that you're not going to feel a vibration. Just say you do knock a fan blade off or something, you're not going to feel that vibration because it's not got as much weight on there as like a steel fan, per se. He did say though that these plastic fans, fan protection is very critical, such as fan shrouds and things to keep debris away from the fan. So that is something that you need to look at if you're looking at ordering one. But right here you can see, you can give them a call, 951-310-0560, Gorsuch Performance. Talk to Marshall or Travis, either one. Let them know you saw this fan here on our YouTube channel. Get the 3-blade, the 6-blade, whichever one you prefer. Like I said, me and Marshall was talking, and we was thinking that we can utilize this on our spec motor to kind of free up a little bit of horsepower. So that may be something that we try this coming weekend while we're going over to run at Boyd's. We are dealers for performance bodies ourselves, so if you want to order from us, we can get you one coming. But like I said, if you have any more questions, you want any more backstory on the fan from what I can give you, you can give those guys a call, or you can order it directly from them. So thanks to Marshall and Travis. We're going to put this to use. We're definitely going to try it out and see how it works for us. And
I'm going to show them this one more time.
Yeah, Dallas got it. That was another thing too. If you can see the difference, I did not realize there was a difference like black and blue. Marshall was explaining it to me that The black ones had the sharp pointy corners. The sharp pointy corners are more susceptible to damage. Did I say that right?
Yeah.
Susceptible.
Yeah.
They are more prone to damage. So they got away from this design, and our 6-blade fan that we put on the other day, just like I showed in the video the other day, has the radiused corners. The radius corners seem to hold up better and don't have they're not as brittle as these, I guess is what I'm trying to say.
One thing I was gonna point out too, like if you were to break a steel fan, like he was saying, you're gonna break everything. This one broke, and it's just got a little bit of a chip there, so you can see the fan didn't come apart.
And
it just
obviously,
chipped.
if you have a steel blade and the steel blade breaks off, you know, if that steel blade's turning 6,000 RPM, that steel blade's gonna tear your radiator up, your water hoses, probably your water pump, possibly rack hoses.
Because when it comes apart, it's gonna come apart.
Maybe the rack. It could possibly be dangerous.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas if you have a failure with one of these, I mean, it's not as detrimental as steel. So
it's that.
There's many different pros to running this type of fan, and we highly recommend it. We ran that one there all year last year and never had any issues with it, so we highly recommend it, and that's what we will continue to run.